Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete your Chrome history, how you can delete your all Chrome history at once click. So guys, I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone or any other, sorry, if you're using desktop or laptop, you can follow the same step. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, you can see I'm on my Android phone, and let's start with the video. So first, let me open my Chrome browser. So guys, first you have to open your Chrome browser. Okay, I already okay. So I think new installation. Okay, so when you open your Chrome browser, so go to this three dot and go to the history, and here you will find a page that you visit appear here. Okay, so I don't have history. Let me check for a second. So guys, here, okay, you have to click on this three dot and go to the history, and here you can see your all history. You can see this is my history. Today's only because I just reinstalled my Google Chrome. So if you want to select all and delete it at once, so go to the clear browser data, and here you can see the two options, which is basic and advanced. In basic you will see the three options: browsing history, cookies and site data, and caches images. But if you click on advanced, there is another three option, which is save password. You can delete your password also, autofill data, your name, dates, whatever you fill in form anywhere, it will be saved on Google Chrome. So you can delete it, or site setting, whatever, just select all. Okay, and you can clear. But if you uh, want to select all history all time, just go to the time range and click on here and select all time. Okay, and clear it. Okay, so same process step you have to follow on basic. Select the time range from all and just clear it. Okay, so this is guys browsing history. But if you are working on Chrome browser, there is an account of Gmail or any Google account where your activities save in your Google account. So I will show you in this video how you can delete your Google account history. First I show you this is browser history, and second you have to find your you know Google account active history. So log in your Google account. So this history is different for different email ID. If you log in one and more email ID on your phone, so you have to check in every email ID. Okay, so go to the my activities here, tab my activities, Google my activities, then first link will be open, just click on it, and here you will find your all activities of your phone. So this is my Google account, and here you can see my all activities, what I've done, what I watch, what is my I watch on YouTube, whatever you see on YouTube, and whatever you visit, it will be show here. So if you want to delete it, go to the three dot option, and you can delete by activities and delete all time, and you can delete it. Okay, just select your product, Google product, and click on next, it will be deleted. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.